Hi, today we'll be learning Ballade composed by Bert Muller on the piano. We'll start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song. First of all, I'm going to talk about the general structure of this piece. This piece is made of ABA form, which means the main motif in part A will repeat when your part B is finished. I'm going to explain this piece in two parts for you. In part A, you can actually see that there is a constant staccato chords on your right hand, like this. This is C minor, then followed by diminished chord C, E flat, F sharp. So it goes like this. You should notice that the main melody for part A is actually on your left hand. For example, make sure you do the articulation correctly, staccato on these three notes. Then when you land on this A natural, you should play it loudly because it has this SF symbol over there, which means you should play it accented. Then when you combine both hands, since the main melody is on your left hand, so make sure your right hand is not too loud, that it will drown the melody in your left hand. And also, take note of the P in front, you have to play it soft. And also, there is this misterioso, means you have to play this mysteriously. Let me give you an example. Then we move on to the next part. Is staccato notes again. Right hand. Left hand. Then when you combine them, make sure you do your crescendo. Then followed by a C minor arpeggios going down. Then this one, make sure you do it loud. Then the last three chords very loudly because it has a accent symbol over there. In part B, you can see that it is a total different style from your part A. The main melody now is on your right hand. Let me show you. You have to take note of the phrasing and articulation in this part. For example, this part, make sure you do it staccato. this part, the phrasing. Then last, the 4 notes. Make sure you play loudly the A flat. So now let's move on to the left hand. It's chords all over again. I'll play it once for you. Okay, remember, there's this particular chords that you have the staccato, which is this part. Then the last 4 notes, stand with your right hand, play loudly your A flat. Then when you combine both hands, it will be like this. Then let's move on to the last part. So as I've mentioned in the beginning, this piece is of ABA form. So after you play your part B, you should play whatever in part A, again, the same style. But in this piece, there is a last 10 bars with some changes, but it has adopted the similar motif in part A. So start with the last 10 bar. You should play your main melody on your left hand, on your right hand as well. So together it will be like this. Again. Then the same chords for 3 octave. Right hand, G and C with staccato. In your left hand, C and E flat, also with staccato. Then you play this together in 3 octave. Then the very last chord, right hand, C, E flat, then your left hand, C, G, loudly. So when you combine this, it will be like this.